Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create shortcut key for some formula. In Microsoft Word. So guys, I will show you some example and some sample. So like insert table, we have this three table. Now insert your number here, any number. Now to use formula, click outside of this table. Now click inside of this table. Now press Alt A and O on your keyboard. Together Alt A O. So press and hold for a few seconds. Now leave it. Try again Alt A O. Alt A O. And click on OK. So you will get this result and you can use this shortcut. Similarly, if you have horizontal, you can get the result here. Click anyway table and select in this horizontal line. Double click outside of this table. Now insert your number. Now to get result here, same formula, Alt A and O. Click outside of this table and again click here and same process. Try 2-3 times. Alt A and O. Press and hold. And click on OK. So you will get this result. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you. This is the formula Alt plus A plus O. The shortcut and you can use to sum to add in Microsoft Word table. Thanks for watching.